Hello friends, welcome to our channel Programming Minds. So today we are going to start our new course, that is C++ programming language. So if you want to learn the C++ as a part of your curriculum or the academics, or you just want to learn the C++ language as fun, then this is the best course for you. So C++ is nothing but the extension of C. In this course, we are going to explain all the features of the C++ from the scratch. So let's get started. Let's start with the introduction to C++. C++ is developed in 1979 at Bell Labs. So the C++ is a middle level programming language. What do you mean by middle level programming language? This language acts as a bridge between the raw hardware and the software layer of the programs. Which means whenever we have to communicate with the hardwares using the programming languages, then we go for the middle level programming language. C++ is one of the best example of the middle level programming language. So C++ is a general purpose language. What do you mean by general purpose language? Is we can develop a different softwares with the different domains in C++. So if you want to develop an operating system or you just want to develop the software, then C++ can do that. So C++ runs on a variety of platforms, that is Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So as I mentioned earlier, we can develop a different softwares for the different domains, and C++ also develops the softwares for the different platforms. So C++ is known for its fastest and most efficient type of programming. Whenever we want a performance in our software, then we go for the C++. As I mentioned earlier, C++ is nothing but the programming language, and that is an extension of a C. In C, there are some features which were added and the C++ was developed. So initially, C++ was called as a C with the classes, as we have added the classes concepts into the C++. So let's get started with the OOPS concepts, which are the part of C++. So OOPS is nothing but object-oriented programming. In C, we have added the classes, so it becomes a C++. So there are 4 pillars for the object-oriented programming, that is data abstraction, data encapsulation, data inheritance, and polymorphism. So what do you mean by classes and objects? So classes are nothing but the blueprint of the data type which we are going to use, and objects are the instance of classes. Data abstraction provides the security to our programming code. Encapsulation wraps up the data and the function into the single class. Inheritance is used whenever we want to reuse our code and avoid the duplicacy in a code. Polymorphism is like we can use the same name for the different purposes. So C++ is a generic programming. What do we mean by generic programming? Is we can develop a simple code or the single code, and we can use that code with the different data types. So these are some basic features of the C++. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.